Okay, this is the VRV multi system, and this is the outdoor unit locations. So let's go to see the pressure test together. Yes, this is the location for the main scoop of pipes. This one we test the leakage and we check the red. It is 550 psi. If you convert it to the bar, it will around 38 or 40 bar. Okay, you can see. We test this pressure, the high pressures like this, because we follow the operation of the machines. Okay, let's go to see the pressure, the high pressure of the machines. Yes, this is the high pressure for VRV system. It is 4 megapascal and 40 bar. So we take the high pressure based on this condition. This is the design flow of the operation of the VRV system.